Well, this piece of equipment just came off the rails. I don't know what they're doing in there, but definitely cleaning something up. Just in time, too, because ELS 503 is coming south. Spent all day yesterday chasing ELS 1221 and 501 northbound. I honestly didn't think 503 would move today. I kind of thought this train would at least be Thursday, maybe Friday. Yeah, that rail excavator over there it was up in Channing, and then it was in Segola. Last week it was in Ranville. Slowly but surely they are cleaning up trees along the rail line. Nice person behind me in a pickup truck that sees me filming, and he's sitting back there. A lot of smart siding going south today. Everybody loves this shot. Quite the load of smart siding today. Slowed down quite a bit. Maybe a little stop for lunch at Quick Trip. Well, you never know. Did you see him wave? I like Vinny, he's pretty cool. He waves. You know, you guys are always like, why are they so mean all the time? They're not really mean, they're just not friendly. And it's not all of them either. Just some of them. Not a big deal, you know? Getting one wave once in a while, that works for me. Pretty cool seeing an entire train just filled with finished product from a local mill. You know, most times products like this get put into enclosed trailers and trucks, maybe even covered on flatbed haulers, and you don't see it. You don't see what your local area is producing and pushing out. Except for when you see trains like this. Alright guys, those that know, why do they keep the brakes locked up on some cars? Like the one that went by, that sucker's loud, man. I thought we'd get a shot on this side. Feel kind of silly getting all my videos on just one side of the train. Figured I may as well come over here. That's the downside though, looking into the sun. I know everybody is really hopeful that they put some money into this crossing this year. We know they got grant money to fix it. I don't know why you'd get a grant from the state and then not use it. So we're hopeful that they put some money in this year and get this crossing fixed. Then they can take that bump sign off of there. I guess we're gonna have to go get one more power shot, hey? Up on County O in Wisconsin. .503 should really be giving her on that one. Might be pretty cool to go see that. What do you think? Yep. My last time I filmed here, I talked to the people that live right here, and they said they have called everybody they know as well about this pole. Every agency claims they don't own it. They were very surprised when I told them that it's been like that for about 7 years, maybe longer. Pretty cool. Guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. It was pretty cool, eh?